Whether you have been using Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app to source and ship products from China for a very long time, or you are new to Pinduoduo, consider to stay tuned to this video and see how to place order on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. So with that being said, let's get started. So recently someone reached out to me on my WhatsApp right here. So I'm going to open up the chat right here. So this person reached out to me on my WhatsApp right here, asked me to place order for all these products you see right here on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. And I decided to make a video about this and show you on how to order on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and simply go ahead and click on the product link right here to load Pinduoduo shopping app. Just like so. I've opened up Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. You can see the products right here. Okay, and the very first thing you want to do is to make sure you add all the products to cart. I've already added all the products to cart. Next thing I need to do is to go ahead and click on here to go back to right here. And for me to fill all the products in my cart, I need to simply click on here to proceed. And then here we go. Go ahead and click on wish list. All the products you have in your cart is going to be shown right here. So from here, I'm going to select them one after the other and proceed with payment. So with that being said, let's get started. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao, JD.com, Shenyun, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, consider to reach out to me on my WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and select all the products one after the other and pay for this, and the rest. So I'm going to click on here to select, then click on here to select this. I'm paying for this, I'm paying for this, I'm paying for this, I'm paying for this, and I'm paying for this. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and simply click on here to proceed to checkout. So here we go. You can see all the products right here. So the next thing I'm going to do right here is to go ahead and make sure I select my means of payment. I'm making payments with Alipay. The next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed with payment. Allow the Alipay to connect. Then go ahead and enter my payment password to complete the payment. Just like so, and our payment has been done successful. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and screenshot the proof of payment right here. Then go ahead and click on done. The next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and simply click on this pump up right here to close the pump up. Then I have to go back to my profile. By the time I refresh my profile, the product we just paid for is going to be found right here. And lastly, I'm going to exit from my Pinduoduo right here, come back to my WhatsApp and send the proof of payment to the owner of this goods. My attachment right here, proof of payment, and say payment done and send. It's that simple. If this is what you want me to do for you, you want me to pay a supplier on Pinduoduo 1688, Taobao, JD.com, Shenyun, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.